What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have the Maono Professional Audio Innovation board. I picked this, was one of my gifts for Christmas, so here it is. So pretty much this is a all customized sound pads, 60 dB powerful microphone. So this is the microphone. It comes with phantom power supply, digital output for streaming. So basically this is one of those streaming keyboards to where you can fix the sound of your microphone. You can change your voice to have different effects if you want to do that, into where you can add like somebody saying yay or clapping or somebody booing. This is something that I've always wanted, and you know, I got one for Christmas. So pretty much this is what it looks like. This is a big box here, so bear with me. And here's some of the information on the back here. So it says premium audio, DSP, side chain, built-in battery, multi-channel mixing, multi-channel streaming, voice effects and noise reduction. And this is what the product looks like. I'll show you where you can go pick this up in a minute, but we're gonna open it up like so. Pretty much this is what you are greeted with. So you get your Maono instruction manual, and I'll have to read that a little later. You get a letter to the customers of Maonocaster, another little information thing, and it shows you how you would plug this into your computer or laptop to use it. And I'll probably come back with a different video showing you that a little later, but this is some of the things that you can connect it to. So pretty much you want to open it up like so, and you are greeted with the lovely device. So first I'm going to pull out the device. It looks and it feels good in the hand, not too heavy, not too light. Then you get your microphone. Not that I need another microphone, but hey, this is a nice heavy sturdy microphone. As you can see, it says Maono, if I'm saying that right. Then over here you get your cables, USB cables, everything in there. Then at the bottom here, let's see what you get. So this is actually cool. You do get some earbuds with this, so that is a nice touch. Get some earbuds. And these here, this is a stand. This is the rest of the parts for your microphone. Then you get your microphone cable. And then this is the arm for, this is the microphone that this is where the microphone will stand on, like so. This is what you get. Then you will connect these together, and then you get this for your microphone. And then you also bring over this lovely product. Peel the plastic off just like that. I don't know that I'm going to use the microphone with this, because I already have a dedicated microphone. When I whenever I do stream, I do already have a dedicated microphone that I do already use. But this is still nice, and it's a sturdy looking microphone. So I do have that though also. But anyways, this is your product here. This is the main product here. So on the back here, see if the camera can pick that up, you do get all your ports. You get your power button, cut it on and off, your brightness, you get your USB Type-C, your live output, you get your live output too, you get your monitor speaker, your aux. This is, I believe, where your this is where your microphone goes. This is where your headphones will go. And then you get mic 1 settings, then you get another setting, and this is where you would plug everything up to. Oh, so I was wrong. So this is not for, this is for an aux cable, my bad. This is for where you will plug in your, this is where your headphones will go, because it has headphones on there. But overall, this is what this product looks like so far. Like I said, it does look nice and it does look good. And I'll come back with the end of video on showing you how to use it and set it up. But you do get reverb, resets, you get side chain, you get music only, you get dry wet, whatever that is, you get loop back, you get, this is where you, the dinos, so this is for your noise, this is for your noise, you can see that. Then you get your sound pads, then this is how you control your volume, and you get your other little controls, Bluetooth, that indicates if it's full or not. You get your mic sliders. This is to turn the volume up or turn it down in your mic for the gain, so on and so on. So pretty much this is what this little product looks like. It's very lightweight, but like I said, I'll come back with the in-depth video on showing you how to use this and connect it. But if you want to know where to go pick this up from, or if you want to know where I picked this up from, I picked this up from Amazon. But you can also go to, I was looking for my iPhone, but I don't know where I put it, so you can also go to their website. You can go to their website, and you can shop on Maono. I had to make sure I was spelling it right. So pretty much this is their website here, and it shows you every product that they have. So pretty much I ended up getting, the one I have is this one right here. So it's the one with the microphone, and this one costs you $109.99. It was $129, but it went down. But pretty much this is what you get. This is what it looks like, and this is what you will get. So pretty much you can connect this. This is USB-C, so you can connect this to your iPad, to your computer, to your laptop, so on and so on, and you can get that party going if you wanted to. So pretty much just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.